This video guys, taking a look at this application here called LetsVPN, or should say one of the best VPNs out there. So I will give it a try. So do make sure to watch the full video so you know how to use this VPN right. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What's guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a video with the show involved. Don't forget to check out my show. Anyways guys, let's get to the video. Please guys take a look at this application we call LetsVPN. As you can see here, a very straightforward VPN application. So just take a quick look at what application will look once I open it. As you can see here, but in order for you to understand, so let's go ahead and open the application. So once you open the application here, this is pretty much the overview. As I said before, nothing hard for you to understand. Over here, two lines, they have the login option. You can sign up if you don't have an account, but you pretty much can use this as it is. Here you can switch the region, but do keep in mind if you do not have any subscription, you won't be able to use any of these servers. So you need to get a subscription, or I should say, once you tap on it, you can see here that I will require to upgrade to our platinum subscription or platinum member. Once I do that, I'm pretty much good to go. As you can see here, leave subscription prices, 3 month subscription, and 12 month subscription prices. So once you have purchased a subscription, you'll be able to use one of these servers here. So if I switch off this here, you can see here, pretty much need subscription as well. Subscription here, you have the friend, for friends, and pretty much you getting added subscriptions for not too much fun. Future here pretty much gives you a power. So we'll try and see if we can get extra minutes on your connection time every hour. So we can also try that guys. And do keep in mind you only get 60 minutes per day to use this application. So do keep that in mind as well. Even if you're not connected to VPN, the time will still run. Also, if it's in the background, it will still run as well. So do make sure to get the applications and time is on. In the inbox section, we're gonna see the messages from the VPN. It's gonna see nothing much for that there. Online support. If you have any problem, the application you can go over here and give them a message. Down here now, this belongs nothing much for now. So the radio service is pretty much the subscription page. So here the standard members option, or the standard member subscription, is different from the platinum member subscription. So with the standard member subscription, we won't be able to use pretty much most of these servers. With the platinum, be able to use most of these, all of these servers. So do keep that in mind. And to connect this VPN is very easy. All I have to do is just tap on it. Let's go here. Once tap on it, we'll do a countdown and it will get connected in no time. Do keep in mind, as I said before, you got 60 minutes. Mine has gone down to 55. So even if you're not connected to VPN, time will still hold up. So do make sure to clear that up from the background of your phone so it doesn't run all the time. You can here also tell you the location you're connected to. Let's say you want a different location to this. Let's say Canada. All I gotta do is just stop it and try connecting again. And sometimes if you clear the application, you get a different location from Canada. So you can pretty much use that trick to get different location. But that's really good for this app. So that's really it, guys. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys. With all this, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next tutorial.